Lower back pain and sciatica are debilitating conditions that plague millions worldwide. The sharp shooting pain that radiates down the leg due to sciatica can significantly impact daily activities. While medications and physical therapy offer relief, a natural, low-impact exercise like stationary cycling has emerged as a powerful tool in managing these conditions. This essay explores the scientific evidence behind how stationary cycling combats lower back pain and sciatica, highlighting its benefits and providing a guide for safe and effective use. Stationary cycling offers several biomechanical advantages that make it suitable for managing lower back pain and sciatica. Here's a scientific breakdown of its benefits. Low-impact exercise. Unlike activities like running or jumping, stationary cycling minimizes impact on the spine and joints. This reduces stress and inflammation, promoting healing. Studies published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research have shown low-impact exercises like cycling to be effective in managing chronic low back pain. Strengthening core and leg muscles. The core muscles, including those in the abdomen and lower back, provide stability to the spine. Stationary cycling engages these muscles, promoting core strength and improving spinal support. Additionally, it strengthens leg muscles, which take stress off the lower back, further reducing pain. Research from the American Council on Exercise highlights the importance of core strengthening in preventing and managing lower back pain. Improved flexibility. Cycling stretches the hamstrings, calves, and hip flexors, which often tighten and contribute to lower back pain. Increased flexibility in these muscles improves range of motion and reduces pressure on the spine. A study published in the International Journal of Sports Physical Therapy found that flexibility exercises, including those incorporated during cycling, can significantly improve pain and function in individuals with chronic low back pain. Aerobic benefits. Stationary cycling is a form of cardiovascular exercise, improving blood flow throughout the body. This increased circulation promotes healing in the lower back and facilitates the delivery of nutrients to the discs and surrounding tissues. Research published in the journal Spine suggests that aerobic exercise, including cycling, can be as effective as medication.